Hello, welcome to the $1 million video series of the Trade Forecast channel. Before starting the video, I should mention that the people of the Trade Forecast team, with more than 20 years of experience in trading in various financial markets, have no other means of communication for consulting, teaching signals, or investing except the Trade Forecast channel. In this video, we will examine the appropriate indicators and examine trading positions on a daily basis. One of the most suitable tools for trading, considering global developments and their effects, is gold, which most traders are familiar with due to the quick return of gold trading. Of course, gold trading can also destroy capital as quickly as it is quick to return, so gold trading requires high technical knowledge and risk-taking. To technically examine the indicators on the chart, in the first step, the chart should be examined from high time frames such as monthly, weekly, and daily. Because the charts in high time frames have more behavioral stability due to being considered by banks and large financial institutions. The gold chart in the monthly time frame has fallen after the chart hit the 50 percentile of the previous candle and has tested the first FVG in the weekly time frame and entered the order block in the weekly leg. One of the important points is the high and low of the previous candle in the high time frames such as daily and weekly. In the daily time frame, the chart is still in the last ascending leg and has reached the fair value area while it has created two fair value gaps in its last movement. Therefore, the most suitable area for a sell order is in one of the three FVG areas, or the daily order block. And the most suitable area for a buy is after creating a gap in the opposite direction in the daily time frame. By activating the notification, trade alerts will be sent to you. Be a successful trader and stay safe.